Hello creative people, Namaste. Welcome to AnkiNish Creations. Today we will make 3 different polymer clay crafts. They are very easy and fun to make, so let's get started. These are the waste clay pieces from my last week's DIY. I am mixing all the pieces together and forming a ball like this so that it gets a marble pattern. Now press it little bit and try giving it a leaf shape like I am doing here. When you are happy with the leaf shape, it's time for some leaf detailing. This is how it looks. Now bake it and let it cool down before handling. To finish it off, I am adding some gold metallic paint on the carved area. When you are done painting, let it dry completely and then apply super glue on the ring base to stick our clay leaf and make a beautiful and unique ring out of it. Let the glue dry completely before wearing it and our cute leaf ring is ready. If you want to do something more easy, then just give oval shape to your clay and make a beautiful pendant like this. For this beautiful heart pendant, take red, pink and white polymer clay. White should be equal to red and pink together, and start by conditioning the clay with your finger pressure to make it soft. After this, roll pink and red clay into thin rolls. Now twist them together like I am doing here, and then we will roll them inwards. With the help of rolling pin, flatten the clay evenly. Do this with the white clay as well. Now place the white clay on top of other clay and with round object like this, poke some holes like I am doing here. This process will merge white in some part of red and pink clay and will form some cool patterns. Now we will roll this again and make a thin long roll and roll that inwards and flatten it using a rolling pin. When I was experimenting this, I was having no clue about how it will look, but I love trying new ideas. Sometimes it is a success and sometimes it is not, but trying and learning matters a lot. In this case, I love seeing such unexpected patterns forming with this technique. Now I am taking a heart-shaped cookie cutter to make a heart-shaped pendant out of this clay. These pieces of clay will be used in next DIY of this video. Now if you want to make it a pendant like me, make a hole in it before baking it. Once it has cooled down completely, add some gold metallic border to it, and if you want to give it glossy finish, apply some glaze on top. Keep a gap of 30 minutes between 2 layers of glaze and let it dry for 24 hours finally. And we are done with our heart pendant. For this one, I have mixed the waste pieces of previous DIY, forming a ball like this. Now roll it flat to get a round shape and roll it little bit thinner from the edges. Now I'm trying to give it a flower shape by folding like this from the edges. Make a hole if you wish to make a pendant and then bake it. Now we will insert this wire and make an eye on the other side for inserting a chain later. Now take some big size glitter and pour it in this, and then we will add Mod Podge to it. This was such a fun experiment. I had an idea in mind and wanted to see how it will look like. It took about 4-5 days to dry completely, and the result was really pretty. Isn't it pretty? I love how it turned out. It seems like a glittered treasure inside a pond. I hope you liked these ideas. Hit that like button if you did and comment down below which was your favorite. Sharing new ideas of arts and crafts gives me lots of happiness. And if you are new here, please subscribe and join this happy creative world. I'll see you soon. Bye. Love being creative.